Hello traders, how are you doing? This is Dan and this is Dan Tech Channel. In this video we'll just be talking about the break even. So what is the break even and how to set it actually on MT4 or MT5 using your device right over there. This is my MT4 MT5 right over here, and you can see I was just trading Euro USD and Euro USD. This is just a demo account to just demonstrate over here because I just kept it to run. This is on weekend. Now as you can see right over here, how you just set this break even over here. So the break even, actually this is just adjusting your position to neither makes a profit nor losses. That means, for example, over here I'm already on the profit that you can see on this trend, but I can just adjust. Maybe I'm just going to wait in the market maybe to move very high, but what if it just move high below and then it's my stop loss? What I can just do over here, because I'm already on the profit side, all I can just do is now and adjust the stop loss, and then I can just enter it to the place I just made the entry. So all you just have to do, you can see you can long press the Honda and click modify position, and then your stop loss actually will be your entry point. Or maybe you can just be putting it actually maybe slightly above because of the spread, something like that, but you can just make 9. You can say I'm bought at 1926, so I can put 1926 point. Maybe I can put it at 1927, and that is going to, so it means that not going to make profit, and not going to be making a loss in case the market reverses. Now it is above me. Now the market, if the market keeps going up, maybe going to 1935, then it will eat my TP, that is take profit. But in case it reverses back, then I'm not going to be on the loss side, or I'm not going to be, and the market is not going to reflect negative, but it's going to close, with nothing, with zero. So that is why it is called break even. We are even. I have not gained, you have not gained. So that is what we call the break even right over there. You just adjust the stop loss to be on the entering point, but that this time you have to be on the profit side. You can also do the one that is on the Euro USD over here. Let's repeat again. You just put your buying point is up there where you can see modify position. You just put 1.0463 there, and then the market reverses, you still be not in profit, or you not be in loss. And that means you can maybe, if your market reverses back, you can maybe enter another buy position. I don't know whether you can, what you are just going to do, where you're going to apply this, but it's also very important. If you like this video, subscribe, turn on notification bell, you just be notified anytime I just upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.